Okay guys, so you're welcome once again on this platform, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to fix this problem. So as you can see, when you check on my notification, it says storage space running out. Some system functions may not work due to my storage space being full. So if you want to fix this is what you have to do. First of all, just tap on the clear crash, then wait for the trash to also clear. So let's wait. It's scanning to give us some space. So tap on the clean. So when after tapping on clean, you're going to see that it's cleaning up junks. So let's wait for the junk to clear. So as you can see, cleaning up junk. So 2.42 gig junk cleaned. So after doing this, what you have to do next is to tap on the recent button to clear everything. After that, tap on to see. So after that, what you have to do is to go to your files. So when you get to your files, what you have to do to clear, as you can see, it's over here. So we are going to clear this over here. So let's tap over here. So when you come here, just tap on the three lines. After that, tap on trash. After tapping on trash, what you have to do is to tap on all items, but make sure you go through to see whether some of the items are important or not. So as you can see, these items are not that important to me. So when it's not important to you, also just tap on the delete section over here, or delete button. After that, you're going to see this pop up. Then you just tap on the delete to delete it, but make sure you put this in mind that when you tap on the delete, all the files are going to be deleted without you getting it back again. So let's tap on it. So just wait, deleting. So 70 of 70 files deleted. Super. So as you can see, it's deleted. So it's now deleted. So let's do the same. Deleting 55 files. This super. So as you can see, it is now missing at the top over here. So this is how to fix this problem if your phone storage is running low. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platform. See you in the next one. Bye.